I was reading an article on How to Geek website from the Chris Hoffman. The title was "Browser Extensions Are a Privacy Nightmare, Stop Using Them." This was a bit shocking for me because I use lots of them. The Hoffman said the browser extensions are much more dangerous than the people actually realize them. These tiny and hidden friends or allies that sit in your PC, especially in your browser, are taking much of your data, like your password, your browsing history, your cookies, and online form data, and many more permissions for your file system, your file manipulation, your online data manipulation. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you and how dangerous the browser extensions are, and I will tell you and how can you avoid dangers associated with these browser extensions or add-ons. So let's get started. No doubt the browser extension adds to your convenience, like taking screenshot, taking screen record, printing your online document, the automatic skipping of YouTube ads. These browser extensions get your work done quickly, intelligently, automatically, but at what cost? Check the list of browser extensions you have installed in your PC. Now I tell you why these browser extensions or add-ons are posing a threat to your safety and privacy online. Whenever you install a browser extension or add-on in your browser, you give them permission to take screenshot, screen record, print your documents, to access your file system, to access your online form filling data. This is a one-time permission grant. These browser extensions may get dangerous whenever they get the updates, and inside the updates you are not being prompted for the extra permission they get. Another way these browser extensions get the dangers at higher level whenever the developer of this extension or plugin or add-on sells the browser extension to another company, and the main purpose of that company is to advertise. Then you will get the adware installed on the next update of the browser extension, because the browser extensions are automatically updated. Another scenario in which your browser extension become very dangerous whenever the actual developer website is being hijacked and that famous browser extension is being used to spread the malware. After getting the knowledge of a browser extension being dangerous to your data, your resources, your online safety, now what we can do to avoid this type of dangers, these type of threats. Now I'll tell you how to avoid the dangers associated with these browser extensions. First of all, you have to check the list of browser extensions installed on your browser, especially uninstall every browser extension that is unnecessary. And most important, whenever you install any extension, please read the privacy policy of that browser extension, what permissions and what access privileges are being asked by that browser extension, and always have knowledge of developer company. After a month or so, you have to check if the ownership has been changed or not, because after the ownership has been changed, that browser extension has been sold to another organization. That organization may pose threat to your privacy and security. So the three things: number one, uninstall unnecessary softwares. Number two, check the privacy policy of that browser extension, what permissions and access privileges are being asked from you. Number three, always have a knowledge of the developer. If a browser extension is asking for update, then be cautious. Update may include extra permissions for your file system. Last but not the least, you have to have a defense mechanism enabled in your system, like Windows Defender in Windows 10. That is the first line of defense against any malware, any ransomware attacks. You can install the Kaspersky, Malwarebytes, Norton, Nord32, any good software solution. So the pro level tip at the end, I will give you: disable all the browser extension. Yes, disable all the browser extension and enable them whenever you need them on any website. That's all for this video of dangerous browser extension. So don't waste your time. Go to your browser and check the list of your browser extension. Thank you so much for watching. Me, Sagib Ali, signing off. Allah Hafiz.